Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Citibank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a citibank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Citibank, you can see the sign-on page where you need to provide your user ID and password. Then click on sign on where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of Citibank. As we are going to recover our password, so we will click on the link given below, that is forgot password. You click on it. Having trouble signing on. Here, to reset your password, you need to select any of this, that is bank and or credit card customers, mortgage only customers, SBA paycheck protection program customers and certificate of deposit only customers. Here you can go with any of this that is associated with your user ID or the password. As I am going with the very first, that is bank and or credit card customers. Here you need to provide your ATM or debit or credit card number. After you provide it, you need to click on continue where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided where you will be able to reset your password. Similarly, to recover your user ID, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot user ID. You click on it. Here, to recover your user ID, you need to select any of this that is associated with your user ID or password. As I am going with a bank and or credit card customers, then you go in for providing your ATM or debit or credit card number. After you are done, you click on continue where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your user ID as well. This is how you can recover your online banking account password and user ID of Citibank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account password of Citibank. Thank you.